Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the quick shot feature on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So while the Flip 4 is closed and fully folded, all you need to do is press the power button twice in quick succession. So let us give that a try. Here it is, pressing it twice, bam, we are now in photo mode. Now, once you are in photo mode, you can double tap to zoom in and zoom out. If you want to switch between the different modes, you can swipe. So we are in portrait, we are in photo, and we are in video mode. If you want to switch between the different lenses, which is your normal and wide angle, you can swipe down from the top. So there it is, 0.5x and 1x appears and disappears on the top right of your screen, and that is when where we are switching between the different lenses. And once you are satisfied, you want to take a picture, all you have to do is press the volume button, either volume up or volume minus, and it will take a picture. The other thing you can do is wave your hand at it. Once it detects your hand, you will see a timer go by, and bam, it will take a picture. And there it is, peeps. Just a few swipes and a few clicks to take awesome pictures with the great cameras from the cover screen on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 by using the Quick Shot feature.